Unspayed woman cats will ultimately attain a fertile duration in existence, which extends nicely into antique age. Hormonal modifications that put together cats for breeding, a procedure known as estrus or estrus, starts off evolved around 6 to 10 months of age. Since cats are green reproducers, their estrus, or warmness cycle, can arise each 14 to 21 days, at which factor she will be able to efficaciously mate with one or greater healthful suitors. 1. Since there isn't any smooth manner to degree a cat's hormone stages at home, modifications in her conduct may be an indicative signal that she, certainly, is in warmness. Display of affection. Your woman cat can also additionally come to be surprisingly affectionate. 1. She can also additionally sidle and rub her hindquarters in opposition to furniture, filled toys, different cats, and perhaps even you. You can distinguish this conduct from natural restlessness, a signal she can be in ache and want to look the vet, via way of means of the manner she lifts her tail or maybe once in a while assumes the mating position. Excessive grooming. She can also additionally spend immoderate time licking her genital place, despite the fact that there's no blood present. In reality, opposite to famous belief, a cat in warmness have to now no longer bleed. Unlike humans, cats do now no longer shed the liner in their uterus at some point of their cycle. However, genital licking also can be a symptom of a urinary tract disorder, which may be critical if now no longer handled promptly. 2. If your cat reveals handiest this conduct with none of the opposite symptoms and symptoms of warmness, a experience to the vet is in order. Kittiute Fornfibble IM Getty Images Mating call and position. Your queen will vocalize loudly. This calling may fit on for numerous days except she mates. She will then count on the mating position, head down, forelegs bent, rear quarters raised to reveal the perineum, and tail raised and held to the aspect of the frame. This posture is known as lordosis. 1. And whilst she assumes it, her rear legs will tread rhythmically as though on foot in location. Marking her territory. A cat in warmness, much like a male cat, can also additionally spray vertical surfaces with urine. To achieve this, she can be able to return as much as her floor of desire, improve her quivering tail, and might even carry out the rhythmic treading defined above. To the untrained eye, this seems like a signal of distress. Don't be alarmed, as that is ordinary conduct for a cat in warmness, despite the fact that a nuisance to you in case you fee your furniture. Loss of appetite. Your cat can also additionally showcase a considerable lower in urge for food. 1. Frankly, her thoughts is on different matters. Pure intuition shifts her physical want toward reproducing, instead of feeding herself. But display her urge for food, as this conduct have to ultimate no greater than weeks. Something else can be off if she does not go back to her ordinary consuming sample after that time. Need to escape when in warmness. Intuition, again, drives your cat to pounce toward the door whilst it opens. Outside is in which capacity suitors lie and her want to draw and mate with them turns into apparent. During this time, it isn't always not going for an indoor cat to run away for a couple of days and as much as a week, or greater. Make certain to seal all breakout routes and watch her carefully. You can also additionally even need to distract her with play to divert her thoughts from the challenge at hand. Danielle Donders Getty Images Pregnancy Prevention. The fact is that except you're an expert breeder of pedigreed cats, you have to keep away from letting your cat mate. Our United States has a main puppy populace problem, so spaying and neutering are fairly advocated to the common cat proprietor. Most vets propose spaying your woman cat no later than 6 months of age. 3. And a cat already in warmness can nevertheless be spayed, regardless of a slight growth in value. Plus, spaying your cat will now no longer handiest quit the uncomfortable warmness cycles. However, it may additionally save you destiny clinical issues associated with reproductive organs. If spaying your cat looks like an luxurious blow for your budget, a few vets provide low-value spay alternatives sponsored via way of means of network organizations. Or, name your nearby animal welfare institution and ask in the event that they offer coupons for low-value spays at local vets. Your veterinarian can suggest you at the maximum lower-priced alternatives for your place, a few that value little greater than your month-to-month cat meals allowance.